Okay, this lesson is on adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. Okay, I want you to turn to page 7 in your interactive notebooks, and I want you to write these steps down. I'll explain them all later. I'm going to go through them quickly, and just pause it if you need more time. Step 1, get rid of double signs. Two signs next to each other that are the same, we're going to change it to plus. Two signs next to each other that are different, change it to minus. Step 2, rewrite the new problem without the double sign. Step 3, box in each number with its sign, or what I sometimes refer to as its buddy. Remember, the sign of the number is always before the number. Step 4, compare the signs of each number. Are they the same or are they different? Step 5, same signs, add and keep. That means keep the sign. Step 6, if the signs are different, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. Okay, that's actually the words to a little song that I'm going to teach you tomorrow that goes to the tune of Row Road. Okay? Okay, now I want you to, on the other side of page 7, give yourself your teacher-student 2-column notes. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples. I'm going to run through those steps that I just gave you and some teacher examples. All right, let's try this problem. Let's do 5 plus -3. All right, step number 1 says to get rid of double signs. That's any time a plus and a minus sign or a minus and a minus sign are bumping up next to each other. This is a double sign. Okay, we're going to get rid of it. Now your notes say if the signs are different, what do we change it to? We change it to a minus. So I'm going to rewrite the problem 5 minus 3. Okay? Now most of us know from first grade that 5 minus 3 is 2, but your steps say to box in. I'm going to go ahead and box this one in just to show you what that means. This is a positive 5, and now if I box it in with its buddy, the sign that's in front of it, I've got a -3. What do different signs do according to the steps? Different signs, step 6 says different signs subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, let me show you another example. Let's try -8 plus 2. Step 1 says to get rid of any double signs. Are there any double signs in this problem? Do you see anywhere where a negative and a positive are bumped up next to each other? There's not. The signs that we see, they're separated by numbers. So I can go ahead and I can skip. I don't have to rewrite the problem because I didn't have to get rid of any double signs. I can skip down to step number 3 in your notes and I can start boxing in. What I have is a -8 and a +2. Okay? Do I have the same signs or different signs? These are different, right? Negative and a positive. Okay? So different signs subtract. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then your last step says keep the sign of the larger number. I have more negatives than I do positives. So my answer is negative. Let's do -10 plus -2. I see double signs. Okay, so I'm going to circle them, get rid of it, change this to a minus. -2 minus 2. Box it in. Now I have 2 negatives. Same signs, add and keep. So I'm going to add these numbers together. I've got 10 negatives and 2 negatives. That's 12. Keep the add and keep. Okay, finally, these are your practice problems that I want you to do on the student side. Number 1, 14 plus -30. Notice you do have a double sign there you'll have to get rid of. Number 2, -20 plus -12. Double sign, change it to minus, and then -10 plus 8. Okay, those are the 3 problems that I want you to come in tomorrow having already completed into your notebooks, and we'll go over those and move on to subtraction. See you tomorrow.